Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect for having around your house if you are wanting to mess with electronics or just general chores around the house, because it is a mini electric screwdriver. This is an absolutely great device. You can even keep it in your car if you need it when you are traveling, because it is super compact. So this was sent over by a company called Workpro. Obviously, it's going to come with a nice user manual. It tells you about it. We're covering all the features here in the video. You're also going to get a USB to USB Type-C little charging cable. This is how you're going to power up the little battery in the device. It does have a 500 mAh battery, which means you can utilize this thing about for 650 screws, depending on the strength settings. So it lasts a long time, but this is it. It comes in this nice little cute little case, very, very compact. Give you an idea, it's about 7 inches long. It's about 3¼ inches wide, and it's only an inch in height. So it's easy to throw in a drawer. It's easy to go ahead and put it in a tool bunch, or like I said, it's even easy to put in a glove department in your car. It's just held with 2 strong magnets. So go ahead and simply open it up. You're gonna notice you're gonna have your little electric drill right here in the front part, and then you're gonna have a ton of bits. So this has 20 different bits. You're gonna have the nice long ones. So if you have any deep sockets or anything like that you need to get into, you got the nice long ones, and then you're gonna have the different short ones. And this is gonna have all the different styles, whether it's a screwdriver, whether it's a flathead, whether it's the little star ones, whether it's the little square ones. You're gonna be fully covered. And there's even a magnetic strip here at the top, so you can remagnetize any of these things if you need to. That way it makes it easy to hold onto the screw. So for example, if you are messing with little electronics, like maybe you're installing a hard drive or removing the screws on your laptop and you don't want to lose those little screws, or it's kind of hard to get them on the end, you can utilize this magnetic strip, which is really, really nice. But everything's really easy to grab and organize. Now all the bits themselves are also made out of S2 steel, so they're nice and strong. You don't have to worry about them breaking or anything like that. But then the screwdriver itself, as you can see, it's nice and compact. It's about 6 inches in length and about a ½ inch in diameter. You'll notice on the end here, this is where you'll plug it in to charge up the battery. My only complaint with this thing is they didn't include a spot to put the cord. So you just want to make sure you don't lose the cord. Would have been nice if there was like a little spot to put it in, but that's no big deal when utilizing it. Now this thing does do up to 180 RPMs when utilizing it. Very easy to go ahead and plug in. Everything's once again magnetic tied, so just simply slide it in and you're good to go. Up and down arrows. So obviously the up arrow is going to go ahead and screw something in, and the down arrow is going to go ahead and remove it. You will notice you got a little green light that lights up. And then another cool thing is you're going to have very white, bright LEDs. It's got 4 LED lights here on the end. So if you are working in kind of a tighter space and it's kind of dark, this is going to make it nice and easy to see, which is just a nice little feature. But like I said, if you have some electronics, whether it's kids' toys, whether it's your computer components, or whether, like I said, it's just a standard little screw that you need around the house, and you're looking for a nice little electric compact screwdriver, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.